Good morning, everybody. Bit of an early one for me. Crazy early morning Saturday, but never mind. Time to get some scran on, I think. I hope everyone's doing alright. Just gonna pop you down for a moment. Hang on. Can't do this with one hand. Just gonna lean you up against kettle for a moment. There we go. How is everyone? Hope you're doing fantastic. Already made my brew, so just gonna make myself a cheeky little sandwich. Wee. Calm down, bread. Let's pop you there out the way. Right then. What? 365? What are you doing in my tiger bread? Side quest? Am I down? Tell me more. Okay. Wow. I'm not the kind of guy to turn down that kind of side quest. So, let's have it. Right guys, the time is now. Operation infiltrate the library. I'm ready. I've got my waterproofs on, just in case it's a little bit wet out. Well, to be honest guys, it's not actually raining, which is a little bit of a godsend. So yeah, let's hope I can get into town without getting wet. Try and get the cargo there safely. You know, got to appease the stacking gods. So I'm going to make my way into town now and hopefully get myself registered at the library. So I'll catch you in a little while, folks. So I'm a little bit early on the high street. Never mind, what I'm going to do is probably get a coffee from the cafe on the way. Probably get it to go. Can't be bothered sitting down in the cafe. So yeah, I'll go grab a coffee, sip that before the library opens at 9, and get this mission underway. Feel like Solid Snake. It's amazing. Let's go. So the plan changed a little bit. As I'm so early and I'm only 2 minutes away from the library, decided to sit down in Greg's for a coffee. And also in my change I got Britannia £2. Never seen one of them before. So winner, already a good start to the day. So yeah, I'm just sat inside. Also gives me time to get the cargo in such a place that it doesn't look conspicuous. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Wish me luck. So the rain has decided to come down. There's 15 minutes still until the library opens. It's just that building over there with the peaked gables at the front. I'm dubbing this mission Operation Literature. So first and foremost, I've got to get in there. I've got to get registered. And then I've got to mosey around the fiction first so I can get a decoy book over to the non-fiction and slap this bad boy in the information area. Operation Literature is a go-go. Guys, you have got to be shitting me. Fucking closed due to unforeseen circumstances. I am not failing this mission, trust me. I'm going to have to walk to the next one, which is about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 miles. Jesus! Right, I'm off. Catch you in a bit. Right guys, there's my next mark. Let's hope that this one's open. It doesn't look promising right now, but let's find out. Can you believe it? More temporary opening hours due to staff resignations. I'm pretty sure that they just don't want people to learn in Erdington in Birmingham. Weird that is, ain't it? You know what I mean? Put it down to staff resignations. I just think that they don't want people to learn. I don't even know where the next library is, and by the looks of it, they're all going to be closed today anyway. So I might just have to shelve this for another day. I'll let you know anyway. Right guys, as all my local libraries are temporarily closed, there's only one thing for it. Central Library, Birmingham City Centre. Here I come. So folks, the journey continues. Taking a bit of respite from the weather. Been out since before 8 o'clock this morning, braving the cold and the rain. So I decided to jump on the bus into Birmingham City Centre. So let's see if we can successfully finish this mission and get to the exfil in time. Catch you soon. Well, this is going to be interesting. I've just realised that since they've knocked down some buildings and changed the walkways, I'm not sure how I get to the library on Broad Street, but hey ho, we'll get there, I'll find it. This mission is not getting aborted just yet. So, welcome to Brum folks, on this very miserable wet day. Try and get some footage for you in town, show you what Brum's about while I'm up here. Now it's special, just about to turn onto New Street, so you'll get to see some of the wunderbar German market. As you can see, we've already got the first post now. Bit of chimneys, lights. Oh, it's fantastic. Let's get amongst it. And here we have, apparently, the world famous German market. Got the Glühwein there. What we got here, churros. You know what the score is. Typical German market fare. Look at that. Up the villa. They all look happy in there. Fantastic. Obviously some people don't want to be on camera, but I'm allowed to record where I like. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10 glistening once again. Oh, it's festive out here now. My hands are freezing, but never mind. You gotta love the city from people. You just gotta, even if it is a shithole. Sorry, ma'am, didn't mean to get you in the old vidoir. What we got here? Let's have a quick butcher's. Look at these bad boys. Got a Falcon, Stormtrooper, Tinks, R2, the little fella. Outstanding. Holidays are coming, holidays are coming, holidays are coming. Always Coca-Cola. Okay, I lied. We got to get Victoria Square in. There's our tree of Crimbo. That's where the festivities happen up there. Live music and the sorts. There's a tiny little, like, amusement park with what they called? My mind's gone blank. Carousel, that's the one. Got a carousel up there. I've got to make sure that I don't get hit by the tram, because, like I say, this is all pretty new for me. I've not been up to the city centre in quite a moment. But do I go straight down or do I go right? Let's go right. Peeps, I made it. Central Library, Birmingham, or as I like to call it, the big decorative shoebox. doesn't open till 11, which, I don't know, 10 minutes or something like that. So I'll get there, get myself ready, and I'll take you inside. I am inside. Now to find the right area to drop the package off. Well folks, I'll call that mission complete. While I'm in town, I'll show you around a little bit. Here we got the old Rep Theatre for all your live shows and your Christmas pantos. There we've got the Symphony Hall and the ICC, the International Convention Centre. We got the old big wheel up. We got the ice skating rink. I'll show you some more of the architecture while I'm on the way back. And I think this calls for a pint in the boozer as well. So I'll see you shortly. And of course, as soon as my hands warm up and I get outside the library, weather wants to come down again. Oh well, I'll get some footage for you still. There are some lovely buildings here. Never really sure what this one is, but it's got a lovely stained glass window on it that you can barely see because it's miserable. We've got Baskerville House. Look at that. Like, where do you see buildings like this anymore? You just don't. We're just used to this shite. Right, let's see if I can get a bit more of the Christmas market for you. I'll have a little walk around, I'll show you some stalls and see what goes on. Plenty of people about. Love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Try and get past this brolly without getting an eye taken out. Beautiful. Do you want to look up, sir? No? Didn't think so. Alright, here we go. Let's have a go at some of this. Oh, it's festive, I tell you guys, it's festive. I mean, some of the people look a bit miserable like, but you know, you just got to make the most of it all, ain't you? It's Christmas, feeling happy, just want to get out. Everybody here getting out of the rain, having a bite to eat, having a little drink, see if I can loop back round the other way. I think I can. Let's have a look. We're at the LMAO for your alcoholic beveraginos. Bratwurst, the old footlongs. I'll show you Vicky Square as well, why not? Why not? I mean, it doesn't look as good as it does of a night time, but oh, that's Christmas for you. In a nutshell. Giggler. Again, lovely buildings. Yeah, I love being in this city sometimes. It's fantastic. I was going to go get one of these drinks from down here. You know, the old litre jugs. But I ain't paying fucking 15 quid for a beer. That's probably going to be flat as ass. So I'm just going to go to the cheeky Weatherspoons, square peg, nip in there, have a beverage and make my way back to base. I'll whip round this side as well and I'll show you the old carousel that has just stopped, which is a shame. So I'll get a quick little vid of it. There's more people up here than I thought there would be, to be honest. Oh, we are, the old carousel. Sorry, ma'am. Nice and old school. Trying to obviously dodge people. But yeah, man. Literally all the fun of the fair. Let's not get in there selfie. That would be advisory. So yeah, this is Brum, folks. Grey, miserable, but I love it. Celebratory pint of Worthies should go down lovely. Oh yeah. Right, folks, it's VB back at base camp now. What a morning it's been. Oi, 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 what a morning it has been. To summarise, about 8 miles walked, a bus in and out of town, a cordial conversation with security at the library, a celebratory pint, and I can call that that mission great success, yes? Yeah, to summarise, folks, when the Godfather of Stacking gives you a side quest, you accept that side quest. No ifs, no buts, and no maybes. And don't give up. That's the moral to this story. Because if you're going to watch the video that I'm going to stitch together, you'll realise that the first couple of libraries I went to weren't even open. By the time I got to the second one, I was like, you know what, just go home. Just go home, mate. But now I stuck with it. I was so determined today. And 365, you are a legend, mate. You've given me something to focus on, to be engaged about, to think about. So thanks, Mucker. So yeah, peeps, until the next one, this is VB and I'm out. Peace.